Today we'll talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Among Us app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, click on it here. We just click here on settings. It's going to show for you a list like this here. So then you go down, just keep going down here. Then you click here on apps. Go to apps list here, and here you're looking for Among Us. Just click on it, or just click on search here. Then here at Among Us, it's going to show for you like this. Click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Click here on for stop. You click here on OK. So then you go down, just click on storage. You come to storage list here. Just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do. So you just go to your Play Store. Click on it here. Search here for Among Us. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you will find here update. Click on it and it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.